Hey, my bike came. Time to unbox it. Whee! It's brand new and it's squeaking like it's 80 years old.
Ah, hang on a minute. No, sorry.
Oh shit, I've tightened it too much. There we go. It's on the wrong side of the nut.
The wrong side of that so you have to
Oh,
wash it.
washer. Okay. Oh, my hand!
Now the little washer you see has a tab on it which goes into
The silly
the little hole.
little washer. What hole?
There's a hole in the bottom of the frame.
Oh, yeah. Oh, mine's,
Fork.
mine is too tight to get there. We're learning a lot today, folks.
And the whole idea is that if the
The whole
nuts
idea.
go a bit loose, it stops the
Wheel falling off and you dying in traffic.
So hopefully you notice the nut has gone wobbly before your wheel wobbles off.
Well, I mean, I once went over a small speed bump in Elephant and Castle and my whole saddle sheared off, so... Biking disasters!
I had a really nasty accident when I forgot that Simon had borrowed my front wheel. And I hadn't checked that it was screwed on properly. And I lifted up to go
Over
up a curb,
over a curve, yeah.
and the wheel fell out.
I've had a few friends have that.
Which was quite a surprise at the time.
So look, I went with the Belgravia. Ooh, Belgravia, where the best gravy in London is. Where is Belgravia? Is that next to Holborn?
Kensington sort of way, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's cute little ting ting bell.
Ooh. Ooh, it made the guinea pigs vibrate.
Wow.
Tootling along on your bike and just a herd of guinea pigs running along after you. Paradise. That's always reassuring when someone's working on your bike and they say, I don't know what these funny little metal bits are. This is not an IKEA wardrobe, this is a vehicle.
That one's on the left. I couldn't work out it was an R at first. It is an R.
Arr.
Because one goes clockwise and one goes properwise.
Proper ways. Oh look, this bike's Brexit approved. They're not even made in Britain. Look at this, look at this. Where is it? Designed in Britain. We don't make nothing no more. I'm covering all this plastic to protect it, but it's like really hard to take off. It's like shrink wrapped on.
Here we go.
Okay, pedals engaged. Right, it might be good to hook the brakes up.
What's going on?
It's behind you.
So what's this bit?
I don't know. It looks like a
Must be
Japanese
another-
kickstand.
Must be another bit of muffler. Oh no.
There's a plastic inside the wheel.
I don't know what that bit's for.
Basket support?
Oh, could be, yes. Yes, that'll be what it's for, yes.
This bit does support the basket. Is that what it's
Yeah,
for?
that's what these things are for. These clip on
Aha!
to the bottom of the basket.
My trash basket.
Yeah.
Trash. if it's extra trash on. How many fucking zip ties do they need on a bike? Jesus.
I think I prefer to have a washer there for mechanical purposes.
So far, looking good. Oh, she's so pretty.
Currently on pretty much the highest gear. Right, the front brakes need adjusting a bit more, I think. They're pretty much touching the handlebar by the time they
Right.
reach there.
So
yeah.
front brakes need adjusting.
And we'll stick the mudguard on.
And we'll stick the mudguard on. And then what else? The wheels need pumping up.
Yeah, the front ones definitely does.
Have you got a pump easy to find in the garage?
Yeah.
Right, I'll go grab a pump. How do we know the PSI? Because it says somewhere
That's the size. Inflate to 30 to 50 psi.
30 to 50 PSI.
Right.
Don't care about British cycling. Get off. Oh, trying to get the remnants of that horrible plastic off. There's this big V sticker on here. It's like a circle with a V in it, and it kind of looks like the Half-Life 2 symbol on it from this video game. I don't really want it on. I mean, you're not going to see it anyway because the basket's in front of it, but it's Viking. Yeah, I know, but there's already Viking on that. I mean, how many times do we need to have the fucking trademarks on here, you know? More bits and bobs off to get the mudguard on.
You did say in the instructions to put this on before the wheel. May well be supposed to be. Because that way this bit should be hidden underneath.
Oh,
Which would make sense.
okay.
Yeah.
Bollocks, gotta take the wheel off. Probably help him rather than filming. Why is it squeaking? I bring you tea.
Thank you.
What stage are we at? What's left to do? Hook up the
Trying to
brakes.
re-hook the brake up. But for some reason, although it unhooked okay, it won't hook back together again.
Just like a bra.
Yeah, something like that, probably. Right, a good quarter of an inch too tight now.
Oh dear. About to go for our maiden voyage. I just need to grab my boots. Yeah, it's got this weird like sticking thing going on.
Right, okay. The wheel
The wheel
Isn't round, I don't think.
isn't round.
So, look at it.
How can you tell if it's the wheel rather than the mudguard?
Well, the wheel was lined up. It might be that the wheel not in the axle quite. Getting trapped on the brakes is brakes. Look. The brake down. Basically the brake is rubbing against the tyre.
So the back brake pads, again having a bit of a problem with them sticking.
No, it's all right now.
You think it's alright now?
It's all right.
Okay. You think we all good?
I think so. Yeah.
And the sun's just come out for a maiden voyage.
Yes, here's your prehistoric helmet. I don't think it'll fit anymore.
I'm just going to go on the pavement. I don't think I need a really old bike helmet. I heard you shouldn't use really old bike helmets anyway because the plastic degrades.
Yeah, indeed.
You don't have any brain
Mine's-
protection.
Mine's ancient. Mine's about 10 years old now.
Well, that's not good. You need a new bike helmet.
Come on, you can't live forever. Sit.
Because I have a tiny head.
Because your brain hasn't grown any.
I know, I'm like one of those King Charles spaniels where their skulls don't grow and then their brains fall out their ear.
Here she goes.
Okay, you ready?
Bye bye, Woo!
You'll always be that loud. That just new brake sound.
Probably always that loud, especially if it rains, it'll probably be worse. But
Well, I couldn't feel anything in that short time, but I didn't try and change gear.
no, okay.
How did you change gear on this one? On the...
Oh,
Oh,
press to go
oh, that
up,
goes up and click to go
press that
down.
way to go down, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's turn it off so I don't risk my... Yeah, let's risk my £400 phone. Ooh, let's not do that. So it's all working. I've just got to decide how I'm going to decorate it now, which is the fun part. So yeah, a big thank you to my dad for putting it together with very minimal input from me because I get bored about halfway through and wander off, and I'm not very good with mechanical stuff yet, so well. Oh, it's got a package. Oh, he's got some Posca pens.
I've got some
Okay, well, I'm gonna think about what designs I want to do. I'm thinking, you know, it's kind of like, it's like a mushroomy colour, so I might just decorate it with mushrooms of the world. Have some nice chanterelles and shiitake mushrooms and stuff on it because I do quite like my mushrooms. And have that as the design on it. Now we just got to put her away in her stable. And that's it.